Hello everyone, myself Suryansh Raj and my project is Ensemble Learning on Feature Selection, a Heterogeneous Approach. And my teammates are Yash, Prashant, Rohit and our mentor is Dr. Deepak Singh. So Ensemble learning is basically combining various models to predict the same results but more accurately, to combine the results of various models to predict the final result. And by feature selection, we mean extracting the most relevant features from the given data set so as to predict the result with less computational complicacy and more accurately. So by combining these two, we are trying to extract the most relevant features by applying various by heterogeneous approach we means different we mean a different feature selection algorithms we will apply, and we will assemble or aggregate their ranks so as to generate a final ranking, and then we will select the desired number of features from the dataset.
We collected 30 classification datasets from Kaggle, out of which 15 are binary and 15 are multi-class classifications. All the datasets are CSV formatted and each dataset has at least 20 attributes. Before passing the dataset into our tool, we performed a data cleaning process to make sure that there are no missing values in the dataset. The data will be split into input and output labels and it will be passed into a feature selection method. This method will return rank for each attribute. Since we are using ensemble method for feature selection, we will get ranks from each feature selection methods. The ranks obtained from ensemble method are aggregated using rank aggregation methods. The ranked attributes are selected by setting a threshold value. A new dataset will be created with selected features as attributes. This newly created dataset will be passed into a classifier to obtain accuracy. Along with the accuracy, our tool will give classification scores, confusion matrix, and our ROC curve.
After having the various data set, we have to pass the data set in our various feature selection algorithms in order to find the rank. The various feature selection algorithm we used in our project are MRMR feature selection algorithm, DISR feature selection algorithm, SPEC feature selection algorithm, trace ratio feature selection algorithm, relief feature selection algorithm, and many more. The purpose of using the feature selection algorithm is not only to find the rank of the data set, but it is also used to remove the irrelevant data which is present in our data set and accept only the relevant data. The purpose and the benefit of using the various feature selection technique is that it reduces overfitting, it reduces training time, and it increases the efficiency. And for visualization, we use various plotting techniques in our projects. The plotting technique are as scatter plot, box plot, histogram plot, etc. The rank arise as a result is transferred to the various classification algorithm in order to find the accuracy of a particular rank.
Now the selected features are passed to the classifier. There are different classification techniques such as random forest, logistic regression, support vector machine, naive Bayes, ensemble classifier, k-nearest neighbor are used. This classification technique gives the accuracy of the selected features. Confusion matrix describes the performance of the model based on the actual value and the predicted value. Classification scores such as F-score, recall, support, etc. are used. It shows the ROC curve between the false positive rate and true positive rate. The user can compare the accuracy by choosing the different classifier and select the best accuracy for the selected features. And thanks to our mentor Dr. Deepak Singh for guiding and supporting throughout the project.